This ProTech I talked about yesterday. Let's take a look. It came from Wildabout Sporting Goods, something like that. Let's take a look. What? What the hell? Huh. Well, that sucks. Wait a minute. Let me check my pocket. There it is. Look at that beauty. I'll tell you what. It's simple. They had it in blue. Just a plain blue. It says right there PR4 number 775, whatever that means. Stonewashed blade, push button plunge lock, aluminum handle, 154 cm. See, at first I'm waiting on this, don't you just love that? I could do that all day. This one has that, watch, has that, hang on to it. Stonewashed blade. Huh. That's just beautiful. See, I'm waiting on that, I can't do two things at one time. Yeah, buddy. By the way, flat grind, 5 ounces, plunge lock, wet, moist paper. Still does pretty good. Very sharp. Dry skin. Hair. And at first I'm waiting on that, looks like this picture. They have the Strider, but it's the simple version. It's all black, and they have a illuminated button, and the blade's black, and there's no markings on it, and I'll still try to get one of those. But look at how simple this is. I mean, the pocket clip is simple. And it feels, I mean, at first I thought, but yeah. It's got jimping all in the right spots. You got a 3.5 inch blade with a 3 inch cutting area. I mean, what more can you say about that? It's tip up. It's just pretty. Thick blade. Huh. This is the ProTech Strider SNG.